Hi, my name is Hamish McNair-Wilson and I'm an IELTS teacher here at KTDC and I've been here for nearly 10 years. Well, at the beginning of the course, I try to be quite strict because I want my students to understand the importance of coming on time and doing their homework. But as the course advances, I try to make it a fun, lively and engaging atmosphere. I honestly believe that if students enjoy their studies, they're going to learn more from them because they're going to be more motivated to come to class, but they're also going to be more willing to work together. So I really believe that establishing a warm, positive, open, friendly and communicative environment is very important for the learning process. So for me, I would say, as I mentioned before, I believe in the communicative and collaborative approach. I do believe that if students work together and are active in the classroom, then they're more likely to retain or remember the information they study. And in addition, when they're active and they're talking together, I can observe, I can listen, and I can clearly make sure that they understand the content and also engage with them. In addition, of course, I try to use what we call a guided discovery approach. So rather than simply tell students things, I try to help them find the information for themselves because I do believe that if they find it themselves, it's more likely to be memorable. So my methodology really is not a typical IELTS methodology, but it's orientated towards ensuring that when students leave my classroom, not only have they been exposed to new information, but they actually retain it and they actually remember it. I genuinely believe that the IELTS exam is a pretty fair test which evaluates effectively students' English language skills. So I think fundamentally the most important thing they need to do is work on those skills day in, day out. Not just, of course, their reading, writing, listening and speaking, but also their vocabulary, their grammar and their pronunciation. I don't genuinely believe that the IELTS test can be cheated through tricks. I do believe that strategies are helpful, but the most important thing of all is the English skills themselves. Therefore, studying IELTS is a combination of becoming familiar with the test, understanding the expectations of the test and being able to meet them, but also at the same time continuously working to develop the English skills I just mentioned. Well, I would say that if you're genuinely motivated to improve your English skills, if you're interested in meeting your classmates, getting to know your teacher and learning about the IELTS test in a warm, collaborative, communicative environment with lots of energy and dynamism, then I would truly welcome you to KTDC and also to my classes. So I hope to see you here one day.